Hi, this is Mike from SuperBee, and today I'm going to introduce you to the TB-IR20 Internal Routing tool. Back in the 90s, when I first started working on bicycles, installing cables was easy. But these days, with internal routing, it's quite a bit trickier. With this tool, we'll make it easier. TB-IR20, you simply want to take it apart, unravel your cable, and then take the cap off, exposing the different bits. There's a bit to fit Di2, hydraulic hose, or shifter brake housing. For the first step, you're going to look at your cable. You'll see you have your threaded side and you have your magnet side. You want to insert your magnet side into the frame, like so. Then taking your permanent magnet, you want to carefully guide the cable through the frame. Okay, next you're going to choose the correct bit. In this case, it's the Di2 bit. You'll then thread it onto the cable, like so. Then grab your Di2 cable, snap it in place, and pull. Okay, your cable routing is now finished. It's time to put the TB-IR20 away. First, make sure your bits are docked in the right location. It's held on by a magnet, so it's nice and easy. Next, install your cap, like so. Take the end with the magnet, stick it in the hole, and start wrapping. Finally, put the cap on, and you're ready to go.